Okay guys, so I'm going to be making some French toast here for dinner. Just 3 eggs here. Eggs and milk. You can put some cinnamon in, which I'll probably do that after. Also, I like to have something that I brought today for $1. I like to have, instead of flowers, I brought this for myself, some kind of decoration that says, yeah, the seasons are changing. I'm still into summer. I mean, I am not a fall person until it's actually fall. But I don't like fall skipped where we go right over to Halloween and then before you know it, we're in Christmas. It's like, no, let's enjoy the summer. Let's enjoy Indian summer, you know, and then let's enjoy the, um, Thanksgiving and some other stuff. So this is instead of flowers for me, instead of like a vase full of flowers, I'm just, having that. So just make sure your butter is spread all over the pan. I might have to turn down my heat a little. But spread it out, and then I'll be using whole wheat bread to make this. And you can put apples on it. You can put strawberries. You can put bananas, blueberries, any way you want your French toast. So it's pretty filling.